Hey, welcome back to another episode of John's Crypto Therapy. Today we're going to look at price, what happened to the markets yesterday, and how we should be on the winning side. If you guys do want to sell, if you guys do want to buy, have an idea on why the market is doing the certain things it is doing. If you guys do believe in technical analysis and you do believe in fundamentals, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate every single one of you guys for doing that for me. If this does get big enough, I do want to make a Telegram group for everyone that does want to learn and try to move forward with their trading career. See, this Telegram group is not just going to be about trading. This is going to be everything drops. We're going to learn more and more every single day. And I want to learn from every single one of you as well. So this is the key principle that I want to take. It's never too late to learn and no one knows it all. So if you guys do believe in that, let's get started. So today we are going to be talking about a little about Founders Token and why this can have a huge meaning behind the price and why it's not increasing. See, this is my perception. If you guys do like this, please let me know. If Pokemon, everybody says Pokemon, I do believe in Pokemon. I think Pokemon is such a great thing for Ecomi to have if we do get it in the long run, which I truly do believe. You know what? We do have a lot of connections to Alfred Khan. We do have a lot of things that's going on with Pokemon that is not being told. The story is not being told. So I do believe there is something in the background. If you guys do believe that, please make sure to smash the like button. But the key here is this. If Pokemon does come and we do have Pokemon, do you guys really believe the price will be $1? See, how can the price go to $1 with Pokemon, but with Marvel, it did not even beat the all-time high of a penny? Come on, put your thinking caps together. It just doesn't make sense. Marvel should have made the price of Ecomi to even 25 cents if it was true to his value or it was true to whatever you guys wanted to believe. See, I think what is going to be a game changer for Ecomi and when the price is going to actually increase, this is my opinion. If you guys do like it, let me know. If you don't agree with me, let me know why as well. At the end of the day, this is my opinion. I'm just trying to let it out, okay? I want to share this with every single one of you. So this is my opinion. So let's get started with this. I think when the bear market does happen, a lot of people are not educated with the bear market. I think a lot of people still don't understand what a bear market is. So before you guys comment anything negative, please look up what a bear market is and why this cycle needs to do the certain things they need to do before it increases in price. Please, I just, hearing those type of comments, it's kind of crazy to me to hear that every single day. But I do believe because of the bear market, I do believe we do have a lot of tokens still being held, right? The Founders Token is going to be released 18.75 billion tokens per quarter, all right? Quarter. So we need to understand 18.75 billion tokens will be released per quarter. That is 75 billion tokens altogether until next year, guys. So until next year, we still have a lot of tokens to be dumped. And because of that, the price could allocate to the downside. Me as an investor, I would not want to buy a lot of OMI tokens at this very moment. Yes, even if it goes up, I'm totally comfortable. This is my situation. So this is what I would do. I will make sure to buy all the NFTs that I can afford. I will wait until VVverse comes out and see what kind of stuff that I can buy there as well. See, VVverse is going to be a big deal, especially if we do have gamification, especially if you have paid to play. If we have paid to play, I do believe the price can increase dramatically. This is my opinion. I do believe that. Absolutely. But because we don't know what is going to happen when the Founders Tokens all release, we don't know what's going to happen for the bear market. I do believe a lot of people are going to be concerned and dump a lot of coins just to be safe on the safe side. And it's not bad. It's a strategy you need to do when you're trying to make money. You don't want to lose money. And I absolutely agree with them. If you do believe that the OMI token is going to go down, sell a portion, make a profit, pay your rents, do whatever you need to do. You're here to make money at the end of the day. If you're here to just have fun, you wouldn't be invested in OMI tokens. You guys would be invested just in the NFT and the VVverse, and that's it. You wouldn't have the mindset of making money. All right, but if you are in the mindset of making money, especially for OMI tokens, you guys need to understand taking profit is an important aspect. So please take your profits, move on. There is a lot of tokens you guys could trade or invest in, but please make sure to do your own due diligence and make sure it's a reputable company. Yes, when I got into Ecomi, I do believe in the company. I believe in the founders a lot. I do believe in the tokenomics. That's why it's deflationary, and this is why it makes sense for me to be in OMI at this very moment. But am I going to buy a ton load of OMI right now? I think I'm going to hold off on it. I want to see how the price acts right after Comic-Con to see if it dumps. If the price does dump, then I can see there is going to be some market manipulation, and we need to understand there is some people that are going to dump coins. See, the reasons why I truly do want to tell you guys this, if you want to be educated and you stayed around till this part, I do appreciate you guys. This is another token that I'm going to put for you guys, okay? The reasons why I truly do believe we don't have a lot of brokers at this very moment is very simple. I think these guys are playing a great game, and this is good for them because they're trying to build a reputable company before they allocate themselves into a bigger broker. Because if you put yourself in a bigger broker, a lot of brokers, guys, you wouldn't believe they do ask you for 2% to 3% of the whole coin. And if they do ask you for a certain percentage and you do give it to them, that's when they're going to start manipulating that coin and try to take your money as well. Because we haven't done that yet, this is all people selling and buying, and we just need to wait when the right opportunity, when we go to a bigger broker, how the market will fluctuate. See, when you put into Binance, do you guys ever wonder why whenever a coin goes into Binance, it spikes a certain percentage? That's because they bought a percentage of the coin. See, and they sell it right after. They play with your emotions and your emotions get hurt, and that's what happens when you guys don't understand the coin. So if you guys do want to learn more, please stay in this channel. I will make sure to update you guys and let you guys know everything I know personally about crypto, trading, and everything of that nature. So let's get into the charts and understand why yesterday was such a great day for us. So let's get started. So we're back into the charts. We're going to understand price action and exactly what the market has done yesterday for us. So let me move away the Ichimoku. Let me move away the pivot points and everything of that nature. So right away, guys, I did not take away anything from the screen. Go back to my last video and you'll understand why I've done the trade that I have done. It all makes sense. All right. So let's get the drawing tool right here, or the price tool. Let's go right here, price range, and I want to show you exactly what we have made yesterday. I want to go from the body to the body. So clearly you guys can see 13% roughly, okay? So let's just say in the middle of 10% yesterday, that was the profit range. So all my students that did take profit yesterday, 10% of whatever money you put into this trade, you guys have made. So to all the students that have taken this trade, I do applaud you guys because you have listened to the criteria on why to take a simple trade. We have a divergence. We understand that the price was too high at this very moment. Yes, Comic-Con is coming. Yes, we have a bullish candle. But when we look at the nature of this move, it is still continuing to the downside. It is still making a lower high. So because of that, we took the principle of a trade and we sold the market. 10% is such a great ratio. That's more than a lot of people will make in a government bond. You only make 5 to 3% to even 6%. For all those that did tune in to my YouTube channel yesterday and you understood the market was going to go down and you did not even buy your tokens at that time, good for you, because you made sure you did not get it at a high price. See, the way I'm looking at this market, I am still looking for a continuation to the downside. Reasons why, I just want to make sure it can get a good pullback before it goes up. Yes, Comic-Con is around the corner. Yes, I do believe there is going to be a spike of price. I do want to see price actually break 0.0034. Once it does, I am going to be triggered into a buy position. But there is criteria at the moment, but that's going to be the nature of my trade. Once I see a candlestick formation exactly at that number, I am looking to buy and ride the wave. For all those that do love my content, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. A Telegram group will be coming if this continues, and I do have a huge audience. All right, so let's actually look into the market and just put it into perspective where the market's going. I'm gonna show you a buy, sell. You guys dictate where you want to go. Of course, my students will get a better on understanding because I do give them notes, I do give them preparation, I do give them an early morning call to understand where their mind's at before they take a trade. So let's put this into perspective. Perfect. So right here we see that the pivot, the natural pivot of the day, it is broken to the downside. So we can see a continuation to the downside. So if this is true to its value, we will see a rally to the downside. We could see support roughly around the 0.0028. That could be a good section to buy. What I'm looking for personally is actually a rally to this trend line. Reasons why, I do want to get a good confirmation for a spike to the upside. But we need to also be concerned that the fact that the Ichimoku is showing us there is a possibility to the upside. So as a trader, understand where the value is made. But if this price does go down to S1, it does break the previous low, thus showing us there is a continuation to the downside. So we need to see if it is going to break down the positions of 0.0029. Before that, I do want to wait and see where the market does at this very moment. But 10% was made yesterday, 4% to 3% was made the other day, 13% in total. And guess what? My life is good and I'm going to continue trading because this is the right thing to do. if you want to make money and you want to continue with your lifestyle, guys, and you want to make a ton load of great decisions in your life, I truly do believe if you do get into trading, your mindset for everything will change. It will teach you a lot of criteria that you didn't know that you had in you. So please make sure, if you do want to trade, do your own due diligence and understand trading is for everyone. So don't give up because it's hard in the beginning. Make sure you understand why you're getting to positions in the first place. So we are going to see how this works out. Let's put the Ichimoku for all the students that do use this. So right here is the Ichimoku for all my students that do use this. So once again, when we take out this tool, let's get this brush tool. We can see that, you know, there is a possibility of a green cloud. This moves to the upside, a green cloud. If we do have a possibility of a green cloud, we could see spike of the price going up. I do potentially want to see a rally to the upside, but before that rally goes to the upside, I do want to get into a price a little bit lower. So I am looking for 0.0028 for a good hold position for it to go up. But guys, if it does not go up and it just goes down, we need to be understanding that the market is being manipulated and they're going to work off of great levels. So right now it's a no holds bar. Let's let the market move and decide where to go. So right now we need to see a break of 0.0029 for it to continue to the downside, and for a break above the top level of 0.0034 before the move goes to upside. So right now we are in consolidation phase because my students are already taking profit. I've already taken profit. Some of them are continuing to the downside. I do want to see this trend line being hit before it pushes the upside. So let's see what the market does. But over this few days, I do expect a huge pump. But if it does not go up to the upside, don't worry, we're going to hedge the trade and try to put it to the downside. So hope this helps, and if you guys do like this type of content, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, take it easy, and John out. Peace.